new here. We've finally got our hands on the all-new 2025 Polaris RZR PRO R. The front end of this thing changed up just a little bit, so they have some air vents here, and the dash is a little bit more beefier. So of course we had to come out with an all-new road cage. Let's check this thing out. So with this cage here, you see we have it equipped with a light bar right across the front. It has a little bit of a low brow. It also has grab handles. You can also choose to have the billet handles, which I would prefer over any grab handle. Sleek design. This one has the Rockford Fosgate kit added to it. I love the sleek design right here. It's gonna add those speakers a lot more protection because these things are super quick and I've seen so many of them take dirt naps. This cage is going to protect you, your machine, and your speakers. So you have the low brow option, you have a high brow option, and you also have a windshield option, which I prefer. Or you can just remove the windshield and get a little wind in your face. Very simple install with the micro jointed holes right here. You're gonna be able to just mount that windshield on, or when you're ready to get a little wind in your face, you just pull it right off. I don't know about y'all, but my favorite time to ride is at night. There's something about the trail riding at night, seeing the stars. So what's really unique about this cage is you have a sunroof option. With that sunroof option, you can also do a custom powder coat on your roof as well. So on a good day, I'm a given 5'5". I have so much ability to still see right in front of me. And if I have to wear a helmet, there's so much space in between to be able to do that as well. So if you want to figure out ways to thump out your RZR PRO R 2025 model, check us out, thumperfab.com. Get on the website, find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trails.